how to delete Instagram account. So let's get started. Firstly, open your Instagram app in your mobile device and simply log into your account using your username and password. After that, click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go your profile page. Once on your profile page, tap on the three dashboard option available in the top right corner. After that, tap on the account center. Now inside account center, tap on the personal details option available there. Now tap on the last identify ownership option available there. After that, you will get to see two options. Tap on the deletion and deactivation option in the bottom. After that, you will have to select your profile page of your Instagram account. Tap on it. Then simply tap on the delete account option available from these two and simply continue with the process. Now you will get to see a long list of options why you are deleting your account. Simply tap on any of them or choose other. Now all you have to do is enter your Instagram password and continue with the process, and your Instagram account will be deleted permanently. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.